Hello students, in this video I am going to teach you a problem based on projection of straight lines. Type 2 problem. Draw the projection of a line CD 60 mm long. Okay, one end of the line C is 15 mm above horizontal plane and 10 mm in front of the vertical plane. The other end of the line D is 40 mm above horizontal plane and 50 mm in front of the vertical plane. This is the given question. So as you know, for any kind of line problem, there should be 5 given data, right? The first data is the length of the CD is given as 60 millimeters and the end of the line C is 15 mm above horizontal plane and 10 mm in front of vertical plane. Similarly, the point D is 40 mm above horizontal plane and 50 mm in front of vertical plane. So these are all the given data. There are 5 data. So irrespective of the problem, the first step is to draw the reference line. Placing my scale at 0 degrees and drawing my reference line for an angle of 0 degrees for an arbitrary distance. Yes. Then we will name this reference line as X and Y, and this is an vertical plane and this is horizontal plane. Okay. Yes, the next step is to locate the locus points with the given data. Yes, the locus point of C is 15 mm above HP and 10 mm in front of VP. As we know, the HP is here, above HP in the sense it should be above XY line, and VP is here in front of VP in the sense it should be below XY line. Do remember this point. Now we'll proceed now. Yes, placing my scale perpendicular to your XY line, and I am taking a distance of 15 millimeter above horizontal plane. Similarly, I am placing my scale perpendicular to your XY line and taking a distance of 10 millimeter in front of the vertical plane like this. Yes, it's taken this distance and this is 15 millimeters and this is 10 millimeters. Yes, and place your scale parallel to your XY line with the measured distance and draw your locus lines here. Yes, draw the locus line for this distance. Similarly, draw the locus line for this 10 millimeters of distance in front of this vertical plane like this. Yes, and write locus of C dash and this is locus of C. The next step is to draw a perpendicular line to this XY line at a distance of like this. Yes, somewhere else in this line, a line like this, and locate this intersection point as C dash and this is C. Yes, similarly draw the locus line for the D points here. We have solved. Yes, we have completed the locus of C with respect to the given data. Yes, we have drawn the locus points for C with the given data of 10. Yes, we have drawn the locus of C and C dash with the given data. Yes, so now we will proceed with the locus of D points. It is 40 mm above HP, which means XY, that is above XY line, and 50 mm in front. So let me take my scale equal to the XY line and place your scale here and draw a line 40 millimeters from the XY line because it is above HP is 40 millimeters. Similarly, draw a line for the condition of in front of vertical plane for a distance of 50 millimeters. Yes, like this. The next step is to draw the locus lines for the marked distance. Yes, place your scale like this and draw your locus line like this. Similarly, place your scale on this end point and draw a locus line like this. Right? Let me name this as locus of D dash and this is locus of D. Okay. Yes, we have solved the data of D also now. The next step is to draw the true length of the line with a given data of 60 millimeters. Okay. Take your scale and measure a distance of 60 millimeter with your compass like this. Yes, I have measured the 60 millimeters here. And now taking my compass to the point of C dash here. Yes, and I need to draw arc on my locus of D dash in order to find the D point. And the intersection point with respect to this is nothing but D1 dash. D1 dash. Similarly, take your compass on the downside like this and measuring 60 millimeters in your. Similarly, place your compass on the C point and draw an arc on this locus of D line. Okay, there is an intersection line. That line is nothing but D2. Okay. Yes, now join this C dash line and this D1 dash line like this. Similarly, join this C line and D2 line like this. Yes, this is an true length of the line. Okay, so yes, I placed my scale like this and I need to extend this D1 dash line to the opposite side, opposite locus. Opposite side is locus of C. Yes, I'm extending it to the locus of this point. Yes, similarly I have to extend this D2 point to the opposite side, opposite locus, that is locus of C dash. So extending this line up to this locus of C dash. Okay, so let me name this point. This is an extension of this one, D1, and similarly we'll name this as D2. Yes, the next step is to draw the arcs to find the final front view and final top view. Then place your compass in C dash point and measure C dash to D2 as a radius and draw an arc till it intersects the line D dash, locus of D dash. Similarly, place your compass and measure the distance of C to D1 dash as a radius and C as a center point. Draw an arc from this D1 in such a way that it has to intersect with your locus of D point. Okay, this intersection points D dash and D. Okay, connecting this C dash and D dash will get us final front view, and C and D will get us final top view. Okay. Yes, finally we need to mention the dimensions like this. That is angle theta, phi, alpha, beta, and the true length. These are all the dimensions we need to represent in the final diagram, and we need to calculate the value of C dash, D dash, and C, D distance, as well as alpha, beta, theta, and phi. These values we need to find out at the end. Okay. Yes. Thank you.